Have you ever dreamed of exploring the vibrant culture, picturesque beaches, and lush rainforests of Brazil? Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, traveling to Brazil can be an exciting yet daunting prospect. But fear not, we're here to help you navigate through the planning, packing, and preparation process with ease. In this video, we'll share with you our top travel hacks and packing tips to ensure you're fully equipped and prepared for your Brazilian adventure. From what to pack for the tropical weather to health and safety tips, we've got you covered. So if you want to make the most out of your trip to Brazil, make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. So, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the land of samba, soccer, and sunshine? Let's dive right in and start with the first and foremost aspect of any travel plan: packing. Let's begin with packing, where the golden rule is less is always more. Brazil, being a tropical paradise, is known for its warm and pleasant climate. Therefore, when deciding what clothes to pack, think lightweight and breathable. Cotton and linen garments are wonderful choices as they allow your skin to breathe and keep you cool. Opt for loose-fitting attire such as flowy dresses, airy shirts, and light trousers that won't stick to your skin and will provide you with the comfort you need during the day. Next, Brazil is home to a plethora of breathtaking beaches, and hence, swimwear is an absolute must for your packing list. Whether you plan to sunbathe on the renowned sands of Copacabana, snorkel in the crystal-clear waters of the stunning Fernando de Noronha archipelago, or simply enjoy a relaxing beachside day, a stylish yet comfortable swimsuit should be at the top of your packing list. As for footwear, a comfortable and sturdy pair of walking shoes is a must-have. Given Brazil's incredible geographical variety, your feet will be doing quite a bit of work. Strolling along the cobblestone streets of charming colonial towns or venturing into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, it all requires dependable footwear that can sustain the terrain while providing comfort to your feet. Lastly, when it comes to what you can do in Brazil, the activities are vast and varied. From exploring historical sites and basking on sunny beaches to hiking through lush forests and experiencing the bustling nightlife, Brazil truly has something for every type of traveler. So pack smartly and get ready to dive into the unforgettable experiences that await you in this tropical paradise. Number 4. Don't underestimate the importance of sun protection. The Brazilian sun is incredibly intense, capable of causing painful sunburns and potentially more serious health problems if you're not careful. So, pack plenty of high SPF sunscreen, preferably waterproof, as you will likely spend time at the beach or near the water. Also, a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses with UV protection are absolutely necessary to shield your eyes from the glaring sun. A light, long-sleeve shirt can also help protect your skin during peak sun hours. Moving on to linguistic preparedness, number 5. Equip yourself with some basic Portuguese phrases. English is not widely spoken outside of major tourist areas, so knowing some rudimentary Portuguese can be a lifesaver. Simple phrases like "Onde fica o banheiro, banheiro?" Where's the bathroom? "Quanto custa isso?" How much does this cost? And "Você pode me ajudar?" Can you help me? Could prove invaluable during your trip. A little bit of the local language can significantly enhance your travel experience, facilitating smoother interactions with locals. 6th, immerse yourself in the vibrant Brazilian culture. Brazil's vibrant culture is one of its most appealing aspects, so make sure to dive in head first. Sample the array of local cuisine, from feijoada to acarajé and the national cocktail. To participate in local festivities like samba schools during Carnival, it will provide a first-hand glimpse into the Brazilian spirit and joie de vivre. Also, be sure to engage with locals and experience famous Brazilian hospitality. Their warmth and friendliness are infectious. 7th, and very important, is vigilance about your belongings. Any major destination, Brazil has its share of petty crime. Remember to always keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas like markets or public transportation. Consider using anti-theft bags and keeping your important documents in hidden pouches instead of your pocket. Using a hotel safe for your passport and other valuables is also advisable. Enjoy your trip, but remember, safety always comes first. And finally, if you found value in this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment down below. Your engagement helps us to keep making content like this. Enjoy your Brazilian adventure and stay safe. Number 8. Avoid tap water. While tap water in many parts of the world is safe to drink, some countries may have water that contains harmful bacteria or parasites. Consuming such water not only can lead to health issues like diarrhea or stomach cramps, but also serious diseases such as cholera or typhoid. So it's best to stick to bottled water for drinking purposes. Moving on to the ninth point, respect the environment. Our planet is a shared home, and it's our responsibility to keep it clean and safe. Whether you're exploring the lush Amazon rainforest or sunbathing on the pristine beaches of Rio, remember to leave no trace. This means picking up your trash, minimizing your impact on local flora and fauna, and using eco-friendly products. By doing so, you're ensuring these beautiful places remain for generations to enjoy. 10th, be aware of local customs and traditions. Brazilians are known for their sociable nature, and physical contact is a common way of expressing camaraderie. Don't be surprised if you receive a warm, friendly hug as a greeting. It's also important to remember that Brazilians place a high value on relationships and family. They're known for their large, close-knit family gatherings and festive celebrations. Embracing these customs can deepen your understanding of their vibrant culture. 11th, understand the local transport system. In major cities like Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo, the metro is an efficient way to get around. Remember to avoid peak hours to escape the rush. Last but not least, number 12, get travel insurance. It's always better to be safe than sorry when traveling abroad. In conclusion, when you're preparing for your voyage to Brazil, carefully consider each element of your journey. Start with your luggage. Pack light, breathable clothing, ideal for Brazil's tropical climate. Don't forget your swimwear and sun protection. Brazil is known for its stunning beaches, and the sun can be intense. Bolster your communication skills by learning some basic Portuguese. Not only will this facilitate easier interactions with locals, but it also shows respect for their culture. Embrace the Brazilian culture, from its music to its food. It's a wonderful way to get the most out of your trip and create unforgettable memories. Be vigilant about your belongings. Like any tourist hotspot, there can be cases of pickpocketing, so stay cautious. It's also crucial to stick to bottled water, as different water sanitation standards may cause digestive discomfort. Respecting the environment is key. Whether you're exploring Brazil's Amazon rainforest or relaxing on its beaches, it's a country blessed with natural wonders, so let's keep it that way. Understanding local customs and traditions will not only enrich your experiences, but also prevent any potential cultural faux pas. Navigating the local transport system can be challenging, so take time to understand it. This will make your travel experiences more efficient and less stressful. Last, but certainly not least, always get travel insurance. This is the safety net that will protect you from any unexpected events or emergencies. These 12 hacks aren't just tips. They're the essential components for a smooth and enjoyable trip to Brazil. Remember, the goal isn't just to visit Brazil, but to experience it. Safe travels.